Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Honda VTX1300C. One owner, only 7,252 miles, beautiful metallic blue V-twin 1300, liquid cooled, shaft drive. This bike is in beautiful shape. Price to sell at just $39.99. Come by, check it out. Make your big bore cruiser dreams come true with this low price Honda VTX 1300 shaft drive cruiser. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful cleaned used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.